Cajun pastalaya with chicken, andouille sausage, and Tasso ham. Let's go! First, we're going to be taking our Dutch oven, heating this with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, then adding in our chicken thighs with some blackening seasoning, just like so. Then adding in Tasso ham and andouille sausage, saute till nice and golden brown. Remove and set aside once ready. From here, we're going to be adding in chopped onions, celery, parsley, saute to translucent, just like so. Adding in diced tomatoes. Dash the chicken stock to remove the fond from the bottom. That's where all the flavor is. Then adding in 3 cloves of garlic, back in sauteed meats. Finishing off with some oregano, cayenne pepper, Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce, salt and pepper to taste. You get this a nice mix. Very nice. From here, we're going to be adding in 32 ounces of chicken stock. 1 pound of Penne pasta goes in next. 1/4 cup at half and half. Goes right in, just like so. Give this a nice gentle mix. We're going to be covering this on high for a total of 10 minutes. Now we're going to be turning off the fire, mix, and letting the sauce thicken. Takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Garnish this with some parsley and green onions, and there we have it. Plate time! We're going to be serving this tonight with an amazing Cptexasfusion Riesling from Alsace, France. Notes of lemon, grapefruit, exotic fruits, and white flowers. Long and smooth finish. Perfect for an amazing pastalaya. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes. And I hope you have a good day now, you hear? Bye-bye!